I'll fill this form and I will get thousands and thousands of emails. So I'll just fill in my details over here. Agency owner, location, Bangalore, lead number. I'll extract 2 leads for now, just for the demonstration purpose. Email style should be friendly, professional, or simple. I'll keep it to simple and click on go. Form is submitted over here, and you can see here we'll be getting leads right here. If I show you my agent, it's working at the back end. I show you the executions, and you can see the agent is providing the emails over here. And not just that, if I show you my email, it might have also sent an email right away. So you can see right now it has sent, it's 6:27 and it's 6:27. It has sent me an email right in front of your eyes. You can see over here 0 minutes ago. And hi, Easy Helper, we are at XYZ. And that's how you can actually automate your lead generation. And I'll show you the backend how this agent works. So this agent is divided into 3 parts, which is agent number 1 is responsible for getting the data from the user, requirements from the user, and then filters out. And then the second agent is what it does, it extracts the addresses of the agent depending on the users have filled the form for. For example, I filled the form for agency owner, and you can see over here we got a lead for home health services agencies, and it has extracted the email. And it has not just only extracted the email, but it also enriches the email. It only finds the email which are actually working and not invalid emails. So it has filtration which actually cuts off invalid emails. So for example, I've already shown you, I gave query for 2 agency owners, but it has only provided me 1. Why? Because the second one would have a wrong email, that is why it did not send. And the final third agent, which is cold email agent, which actually sends the email, which I have just shown you, helps me to write this email copy. I'll give you the template of this particular agent in the description below, but let's understand that how you can actually set it up for yourself once you have downloaded the JSON file, which you can download from the description box in the below section. And let me just quickly give you a quick walkthrough of this whole agent. So the first thing it triggers is from any form submission. You can see this was the form which I submitted. And the second is we are using Apify. What is Apify? I've already recorded several videos on how you can use Apify for lead generation, for LinkedIn optimization, which you can find the link somewhere over here of my Apify tutorial. And we are using Apify actor over here. As I mentioned, only if the email exists, then only it will forward the data further. And after the email is captured by this agent, it actually extracts the information. Now, what is information it is extracting? I've given it the option to actually extract the information. For example, I have only extracting these 4 categories, which is company name category, website, phone number, email address, and address. Because as you know, once we scrape the whole data, a lot of irrelevant things comes into our scraping, and that is why I have given this instruction that you have to extract these only fields only. And we are using Google Gemini for the creation of the email, which you just saw. It has sent an email as well, and it is an if and true filtration, where obviously if the email is correct, if it has this @ mark, then only it proceeds. And if it does not has an @ mark, it does nothing. So you can see if it is true, it is having an @ mark, it actually sends the data into the Google Sheet, which is the email address. It does not do any operation. That's the second agent. And the third and the final agent, what it does is it actually writes the cold email. It actually loops over the item and then waits for the email to be getting ready. And we have the final step where I have given this prompt that you are an email perfect cold email generator for a digital marketing agency. All things will be mentioned in the description box. Once you download the JSON file, you will get this as it is. So I'm just giving you an walkthrough of what node is doing what over here. And here you can find the OpenAI chat model, and it is an edit field mod over here where we are actually finding the things which we actually want to have. Like for example, if I come over here, you will see there's 2 things which is cold email status, sent or not sent, and the what time it was sent, you can see over here. So we have given a filtration and an edit field node over here, that what time it was sent, and to what email it was sent. And through I have connected my Gmail. Now, how to connect your Gmail, I've already recorded a video where I have given you clear step up where how you can actually automate your all of your Google applications, which you can find the link somewhere over here, where you can actually how to connect your Google through anything. You can find that. And the final step is to update the status over here, which is this thing will be updated once the email has been sent. That's all this agent does. This agent itself does the whole lot of work of what an outreach agency does. Actually, I've connected everything over here. You will download it. You just have to connect your applications, and you can find everything in this particular. All the prompts and API keys are everything installed in this. How to use Apify, I've already recorded a video which you can find the link. I've already mentioned in the description box as well. So how to connect your Apify and how to connect your Google is all what you need to actually get this whole workflow working for you, for your client. So that is how easy it is to actually generate leads, and not just generate leads but actually qualify them for your email. Because if you find any irrelevant emails or invalid emails, your email gets blocked. It does not land into their inbox, right? And if it does not land into their inbox, it makes no sense of this cold email. So already have an agent over here which actually enriches the email. At the final step, it creates a personalized email for each email address. And that's all about it in this particular video. Let me know in the comment section what more agents you want me to create, and you can find the template here down below. And let me know how was it, get it working for your clients, for yourself. And that's all about it in this particular video, and I'll see you in the next one.